To find the distance between points A and B, you need the distance formula, which is the square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. From the given points, x sub 1 is 3, y sub 1 is 5, x sub 2 is 2, y sub 2 is 4. By substitution, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 becomes 2 minus 3. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 becomes 4 minus 5. Simplify the operations inside the parentheses. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Since negative 1 squared is the same as negative 1 times negative 1, which is equal to 1, the radical becomes square root of 1 plus 1. Simplify the radicand. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, this distance between points A and B is equal to the square root of 2. But then, the square root of 2 is approximately 1.4. So the distance between AB is approximately 1.4 units. In number 4, the coordinates of the points are given as 0, 0, and 8, 0. Since the y coordinates are the same, then we can say that A and B are in the same horizontal line. So starting from point A, which is the origin, our point B should be 8 units from point A. Now, to verify this, we can use again the distance formula. The distance between points A and B is the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. From the given points, x sub 1 is 0, y sub 1 is 0, x sub 2 is 8, y sub 2 is 8. Now, let us do this step by step in the distance formula. X sub 2 minus x sub 1 becomes 8 minus 0. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 becomes 0 minus 0. Simplify the operations inside the parentheses. 8 minus 0 is 8. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 squared is the same as 8 times 8, which is 64. So this becomes 64 plus 0. Any number added to 0 is the same as the number. So 64 plus 0 is 64. So the distance between the 2 points A and B is the square root of 64. And the square root of 64 is 8. So the distance between the 2 points is equal to 8 units.